We'll guide you through how to clear cache on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So over time, cache goes and builds up. Cache is temporary files, so what we can do is go and delete them. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step, so make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you need to do is go and find Finder. We'll find that over in the bottom left. You can click on it to open it up. Now you want to go and come to the top left of your Mac and find the option for Go and click there. Go and hold the Option key on the bottom left of your keyboard to the left of Command, and then that will go and reveal the library option. Click there. When this opens up, scroll down and you need to go and find the caches folder and go and double click on that there. And then what you need to do is go and click on one of the folders here, and then what you can do is go and press Command A to go and select them all. Then you can right click or click with two fingers and press Move to Bin. Then that's it. You can click on the bin in the bottom right and go and empty it, and that's it.